Hello, good morning, warm welcome to your My Investment Mastery series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and over the last many weeks and months, we've been talking about mutual funds. And today we are bringing yet another topic in, and that topic is what are mutual fund loads. So whenever you notice I'm looking on my right, I am looking at all the notes that I've made for you on my laptop. Hi Rupal, Ritu. Oops, okay, I'm back. Hi Ritu, Rupal, good morning, warm welcome. So I am beginning from my notes right away. So what are mutual fund loads? So apart from expense ratio, there are few one-time charges which you are charged by any mutual fund. So these are called loads, okay, which are actually charged either at the time when you start investing or at the time when you are exiting the mutual fund. So it could be any of those times. So, and these loads are over and above the expense ratio which is charged. Okay, so you must understand this. I'm repeating this. So apart from the expense ratio in the mutual fund, there are certain loads that you are charged. So these are one-time charges that are being levied on you, and these charges could be at the entry point or at the exit point of the mutual fund. So the load which is charged at the time of entry is called entry load. So this is a charge which you pay at the time of investing in a mutual fund. So when you are entering in a mutual fund, when you're beginning to invest in it, you are charged this entry load. But SEBI abolished this entry load in 2009. So currently there is really no entry load on the mutual fund schemes. So any mutual fund you enter in, you do not pay any entry load. And just remember, this was abolished by SEBI in 2009. SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India, the regulator for mutual funds. Now, the second charge is called the transaction charge. So for every transaction that you make, so every sale or purchase that you make in a mutual fund, there is a nominal charge, there's a nominal fee which is charged by the mutual fund, and that's called the transaction fees. And from 2011, SEBI has allowed the asset management companies to collect this amount, the transaction charge. Okay, so this is again a one-time transaction fee. Example is, say you're investing for the first time, and when you are investing say 10,000 rupees, then the fund is saying that okay, you will be charged 100 rupees, okay, as a transaction fee. Or for its existing investors, when you are making any kind of transaction, then it is saying that okay, for every 10,000 that you invest, you will be charged 100 rupees, something like that. Okay, there is always a minimum amount that you invest, and then this charge will come. Okay, and then the third type of load, so we have spoken about the entry load, the transaction load, and then there is the exit load. So at the time of exiting the mutual fund, you will be charged this exit load, and generally this charge is is within the first 1 year or maximum 3 years, because the mutual fund basically wants you to invest for the long term, because then only can you generate returns in equities. Equities are not for short-term investing. So this is basically, an agenda that they have so that you don't take out money pretty fast after investing. So these are charges which are liable to be paid in case you exit the fund before a specified period of time. So the mutual fund will charge the exit load, and basically the intention is to discourage investors from leaving the mutual fund schemes within a short period of time. They do not, liquid funds, okay, particularly liquid funds which are used as an alternate to fixed deposits, they give you a little better return. So these liquid funds are for the short term only. So there is never an exit load in these funds. But in all other funds, all other mutual funds, there is an exit load which is charged. So the exit load is anywhere in the range of 0.25% to say about 3% depending on the type of the fund. And generally it's something like you will see written there that okay, 1% redemption, 1% on redemption will be charged if you are exiting before 365 days. Sometimes they also say that okay, 1.5% will be charged if you exit before 365 days. Then 0.5% will be charged if you are exiting between 1 year and 2 years time. 0.5 or 0.25% will be charged if you are exiting between the 3rd year and the 4th year. So they just stagger this exit load, and the intention is to discourage you from taking your money out anytime soon. Because we all know, like I said, that equity is for the long term. So these are the 3 kinds of loads which are there, which are other than the expense ratio. Okay. Hi Prerna, Pooja, Bhagya, Vireno, Manjula, Rajeshwari, Divya, Sonika. Good morning. Warm welcome, guys. Okay, Facebook seems to have come up with some new tags because I can see some real good tags. Okay, Rupal, you're asking how much importance we should give to expense ratio of funds. I mean, we in our community are generally doing direct funds, direct investments. So the expense ratio because of that goes down, and that comes to our advantage, right? So that becomes a real positive thing for us because we are knowledgeable investors and we are investing directly right away into mutual funds. So everybody, please start typing. What are you taking away today? What have you gotten? What have you understood today? Please start typing. I trust today you've learned all about the mutual fund loads, like nothing left. You know how I see it is, these are really easy topics. These are simple topics, I would say. But we just make such a big deal about them because we don't understand them, and then there's really nobody teaching us about finance. So I think that is what the gap remains then. Yes, Rupal. So Rupal is saying what she's gotten is that entry loads don't exist anymore. Brilliant, Rupal. If each one of us can just focus on making 1% improvement in our money life every day, we will become 37 times better. It's that easy. Got it. What about others? Please start typing. What are you taking away? It could be anything. Extremely simple. And you don't have to shy away from learning the simple things because actually in finance, the most basic things are what drive the entire financial growth. Sometimes we think, that we need to know a whole lot and we need to understand so much, but that's not so. From my wealth creation journey, I'm absolutely clear the more basics you drive in, the better wealth you will create. Okay, Rajeshwari is saying she didn't know about the transaction load. So learn something new today. Every mutual fund mostly has it. Yes. Sarita, to earn money, I need to give money too. Yes, absolutely. How can you earn money if you don't invest it? And how do you actually invest wisely if you don't learn? So yeah, everything is exchange, and what's wrong with it, right? Rupal, exit load, usually it is there to discourage the investors to take out the money quickly. Brilliant. Ritu, do consider the various loads while investing. Look small percentage but makes a lot of difference. Learn investing directly in mutual funds. Absolutely, because like returns compound, expenses compound too. Bhagya, maximum mutual fund don't charge after 1 year? Yes, absolutely. You're right, Bhagya. What about the exit load on debt funds? It exists, Prerna. It exists for all kind of mutual funds like I just shared. Sonika, everything is new for you here. Taking every word of this live? Sure. And if you need, watch it again. Go for it. So thank you so much for listening, coming, and really building on your financial skills. What will help you and what really helped me is my financial literacy, my financial skills. So acknowledging each one of you for taking out the time and making the effort to really build your financial skills. This is what counts. Thank you, Prerna. On this note, I'm closing this live. Loads of love and let those hearts keep coming in. I am enjoying them. Have a blessed day. You too, Ritu. Take charge. Stay safe. Bye-bye, everyone. I see you tomorrow for the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. Let's make reading Economic Times a part of our everyday life. Take charge. Bye-bye.